Hi guys, today I would like to show you how to install Red Hat Linux version 6. Just I'm installing the Red Hat Linux 6 in the virtual machine. Let's power on this virtual machine. For full screen, press Ctrl Alt Ctrl Enter. Yeah, it's going to start. If you want to install Red Hat Linux 6, choose the first option, install or upgrade an existing system. It's loading the image files. It takes some time. Waiting for hardware initialize. Yeah, if you want to begin test, it will show your error. So while installing the Red Hat Linux 6, please skip it. If you skip it, there is no need of the tensions. Okay. Found local media. Next, waiting for Anaconda. Anaconda is a grub loader for the Linux. For the Red Hat Linux 6, the Anaconda will be the 13.2, 21.82. For Fedora, it will be a 20. Yeah. Come on. Yeah, it's gonna start installation. Press next. Choose your installation process language. And next, what type of the keyboard you would like to wish. Next, take your basic storage or some specialized devices. So I'm choosing the basic storage device. Yeah, this will show error while installing in VMware version. So no need to do attention and do it one thing. Ignore or ignorize reinitialize, and I'm doing the reinitialize all. Yeah. While host name, you can give as usual your host name. Just I'm giving as a whatever maybe your website names or your names, something like. Just I'm taking as a example.com, example.redhat.com. There's no need of the tensions. You can choose your favorite names. Press next. Choose your locality. Just I belongs to India, so that's I'm choosing the Kolkata, Asia. But in India only, it chooses only one thing. Next, whatever the password you like it. While choosing your password, please choose a high security password. Okay. It will show as a weak password. There's no need to worry, and just use it anyway. Click on use it anyway. Then there are the different types of installation type. Use all spaces. That means it will remove all the whatever. If you are previously having the Windows, then it will remove the Windows and it will install. If you are having the 10 GB hard disk, if previously your Windows is installed, it will remove the Windows and it will replaced by the Linux. And if you are replacing the Linux, if previously you were installed the Linux, so it can replace it. If you want to shrink volume, this is also removes all the hard disk memory, and freshly it will install the Linux. Free space, there's free space while you can create the free space while installing. So while I'm installing in the VM workstation, there's no need to install in the free space. So if you want to create custom layout, yeah, if you want to do it in the create custom layout, that means manually you can choose it the create custom layout. Yeah, while I choose the 100 GB hard drive, but while installing the Red Hat Linux, there's no need of the 100 GB. You can put minimum 10 GB is enough, but maximum take it the 20 GB, so it will be good for you. And just I'm taking the 100 GB, so I'm creating the partitions of. There are the two types of partitions, standard partition and LVM physical partition. While choosing the standard partition, if you install in the type of the standard partition, you cannot go for the upgradation. While creating the LVM physical volume, you can go for the upgradation So I'm creating the LVM physical volume. So create it and choose a physical volume 20. So I choose I have 100 GB of memory, so I can take it approximately 90 or whatever, maybe the something. So I'm choosing as a 50 GB. Sorry. So 50 GB I'm taking. So create, okay. The remaining is 50 GB. Then create. So LVM groups. In these LVM groups, we are going to create the root, boot. There are the different types of partitions while creating the menus. So I'm creating the LVM groups. So click on create and just take it the example name or whatever, maybe give it our sorry example. Sorry, you are going to add the partitions types. So I'm going to add first of all root. You guys already know. So whatever, maybe use a convenient name. So I'm taking my convenient name as a root menu. So whatever maybe the, if I want root, I have chosen the 50 GB total physical logical volume. So in the half of the partition I'm giving for the root. Let's take 25. That means I'm taking the 25 GB for the root menu. And next, another partition. Here one thing, in this logical volume there will be no boot menu. Okay, no need of to worry. The boot menu will be in the standard partition. So you can choose whatever, maybe I'm choosing the home. So minimum partition for installing the Linux is 4 partition. That means root, boot, home. Whatever if you want to install the where, it's not needed. Whatever maybe the temp, if we can install it, root, boot, home and swap. These are the most important values for partitions for the installing Linux. Let's take home. I'm giving the partition name as a home. Just for the home I'm giving approximately 15,000. Yeah, that's enough for me. Okay, next create. I'm going for the standard partition. Here you can see there is a boot menu. Yeah, while installing that you can see for the boot menu, there's no need of the going for the 1 GB or 2 GB. That's not needed for the boot menu. Just give it as a 512. This is more than enough for the boot partition. Then press OK, and I'm going to create standard partition. Yeah, here was the one point. While installing the swap memory, think only once. If you are having the physical swap memory, means for the allocation of the swap memory twice to the physical memory. That means if you are having the RAM as a 2 GB, for the swap memory you give it as a 4 GB. If you are having the RAM as a 8 GB, give the swap as a 16 GB. It's not mandatory. If you wanted to give it, if you are having the RAM with 2 GB, you can give it also 2 GB swap memory. Also, if you are having the 8 GB of RAM, you can install the 8 GB of swap memory also. So that's why I'm gonna take. I took as a 2 GB of RAM, so I'm giving the 4 GB. It's not necessarily. Okay, next go. Yeah. There's no need of the worry for this. Following device has selected format showing all partition data. So while in the virtual machine it will show, but in the real machine you cannot see this. So if you go into back, you will go back. If you want to write changes to disk, so if you are going to install, just please click on the write changes to disk. Yeah, you're gonna see the devices are creating. That means the partitions are creating. You can see there are the logical volume. Yeah, I'm installing the Red Hat Linux, and let's go next. Yeah, while installing, this is the most important step. Everybody will do one thing wrong. Here they will choose as the basic server and the customize later, then click next. If you install like this, you will have the blank screen. That means only the text-based command will be open. If you want to do for the graphics based, go for the choose the desktop and click on the customize now, so that you can add the KDE's desktop, that is with the graph based desktop. Yeah, you can choose all the files if you want to need it. It's not necessary to choose all the things. you want to choose, there's no problem. You can install it later also. That's a good thing. The virtualization, I not need a desktop. Yeah, this is the KD. Previously I said this is a graphic based desktop. That means it will show as a same to as Windows 7 properties like. And applications, you want deployment, I am choosing for the Eclipse. Languages, so whatever the languages you want to, that means the PDF file will be supported. That means you can have the whatever the language, you can have your own language and it will guide you. So it's not needed. So by default it will be English, so click on next. Yeah, you're checking on the dependency package for installation. Yeah, it will take some time for retrieving the image from the disk menu. Start. Come on. Yeah, it will take some time. Wait it. Come on. Start up. And the advantage of Linux is because it won't be the crash like the Windows system, and it will not show ever as a like Windows. If there is a power gone, it will show as the start Windows normally, but in the Linux it never shows the start Linux normally. So there is no need to worry. So it will be a crash free operating system. And what is the disadvantage? It takes so much time to install. Come on, start up. Do you know what is the meaning of the installing startup? While installing your the Windows 7, you can observe that starting Windows. Okay, have you observed it? That's the process. So it's taking the image from the disk. So while installing the Windows 7 also, it will take same procedure, starting Windows. So it will take some time. Okay. After that, it will be directly installed. There is no extraction. It will be directly install only. Come on. Come on. Wait for some time. Yeah, it's gonna start. Come on, push it, man. Really, one of the most operating system is Red Hat Linux. So Linux is I cannot say that Linux is the best or Windows is the best, but Linux is the most powerful tool in the world. So everybody should learn it, the Linux. I wish all the people who are learning the Linux, and it's very easy. Just I would like to say one word that's tell by the who is the founder of C, Dennis Rich. What he said means Linux is very easy, but only a genius can understand its simplicity. So be one of the genius for understand it. Yep, it's gonna start in a few seconds. Come on. Yeah, started. Buckle up, guys. Buckle up, boys. Have some time. Get back after completing of the installation. It will take about more than the half an hour. Probably it will take more than half an hour, 45 minutes or 1 hour also. There's no need to worry. You can get back after 1 hour. You can do it whatever do it we want. It's no need, nothing to worry. Welcome back, guys. So I cannot put the whole installation procedure because people also will be bored, so that's why I took the break and just cropping the video and joining it. So it's about to complete the installation. Let's clear this installation. Yeah. It's about to complete. Come on. Yeah, Eclipse. You can watch out all the procedures, what type of installation is going on, but while installing in the Windows, you cannot see what are they going to install at the back end. So this is the advantage of the Linux. You can see what the process are going in the front of us. Okay. Yeah, 1281 out of 1298. It's about to complete. Come on. Everybody, people is waiting for you. Gotcha, come on. Yeah, final file is going to complete. Plugging for the O profile integration. Come on. Yeah, profiling post installer, installing bootloader. Yeah, come on, guys. Yeah, congratulations, your Red Hat Linux installation complete. And simply reboot. I'm gonna reboot my system. It's going to reboot. Successfully install. Restarting my system. Yeah, booting Red Hat Linux 2.6.3 installation media. Yeah, come on. Red Hat Enterprise Linux Server version 6. Yeah. Okay. Good. This is the welcome page. And press forward. By default it will be the yes, I agree. If you want to study it, you can read the license information. Next, forward. If you want to set up for the software updates, you should have the RHN, that means Red Hat Networks registration. It will be provided by the Red Hat Linux, the portal. To go to the www.redhat.com. Just forward it, give the username, whatever maybe the username you would like it. Just let's take it as example. I'm taking as an example, Red Hat example, password, whatever maybe, so you cannot see. Just press forward. Yeah, this is the bad, that means it's not a high security. So if you want to wish, continue anyway. If you don't want to wish, if you want to make it changes any updates in password, you can do it. So I'm using yes. So you can synchronize the date and time if you are the network directly connect to the internet. So I don't want any need, so I'm just going for the forward. Yeah, insufficient memory to the configured kdump. This is the default value for when installing. It's not needed, so no need of detentions. Press finish and you're gonna see the login page. Hello, example.redhatlinux.com. So if you want, this is the user, and if you want, this is the user created by you while installing. And if you want to, there is a no administrator, there will be no spelled as administrator in the Linux. It will be called as a root. Root will be your administrator in the Linux. So go for other, type root, whatever the password you have chosen, enter it and login. Yeah, it will show some better value, so no need to worry. Then to close. Yeah, got it. This is your screen. Next, if you want to choose whatever, maybe go for the display, whatever may resolution of your computer, you can put it. Apply. Give this configuration. Apply. Close. Okay, there will no refresh in the Linux. This is the front screen of your Red Hat Linux 6. Okay, congratulations guys, you can see it, and this is the completion of the Red Hat Linux 6. You can see the window. Okay, thank you for watching us. This is SS Rocks Media for purely an entertainment and for education purpose. Okay, thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more videos. This channel is available for the installation or whatever the education, whatever the videos are presented by this installation of these videos, you can have it in multiple languages. So we are providing this installation language in Telugu, Hindi and English. Thank you guys, have a nice day. Thank you.